going on? Welcome back to Max Your Journey. This is your favorite camping YouTube channel, and we are getting started right here. This hidden gem of a campground. Hidden gem, I used that for the last one, scratch that. This is somewhat of a gold mine. You want to check this place out. It's in the Amish country of Pennsylvania. It's called Yogi Jellystone in Quarryville, PA. You might think you're lost, but you're right on the right path when you get to this place. Man, I'm talking water park is amazing. 5 out of 5 stars. You gotta see it to believe it. So that's why you're here. You want to see all about this campground. You might have never heard of it, or you might want to visit and you just don't know the layout. Check it out right here, Max Your Journey. Hit that like and subscribe button right now. Let's get into it. Max Your Journey. Right, we are at Jellystone. As you can see, this is the laser tag area. You have to make reservations, and I think it's at certain times that they actually have the games, but it's a pretty cool setup down there. Plenty of spaces to hide, all that good stuff. As you come into the park, you have this small ranger station, water park behind it. With a food truck that has all the good quick fixings if you need to eat something. I'll check out that water park in a little bit. I want to show you this mini golf because it's pretty awesome. Look at this mini golf right here. We got to get down there and check it out because we have not did that yet. Speed bump. But you got mini golf, water things, Yogi Bear, as you can see. And then you have the check-in station up here.
Gem mining.
Gem mining also. I think it's a certain amount of people. It's a few extra dollars. But it's worth it. The kids love it. That's a whole check-in registration center over there. And they have ice cream, a little ice cream shop. But you can get everything that you forgot right up there at that check-in station. And also there's a big Yogi Bear that you want to take a picture with. They have a lot of fun things in front of this pavilion. But here's the pool. 2 decks. Upstairs you can get the cabanas or whatever. You have a pool downstairs. Upstairs you have a hot tub. And you also have the big dump, like water park dump style. As you can see, all the golf carts are lined up here. We'll show you the pool. All right, as you can see the pool, I do have that big tower up there dumping water with the cabanas all the way across. These little guns, you can shoot stuff up. Look at that. And then you got a food truck right over here. It will open up shortly. This is still first thing in the morning. This is Quarryville Jellystone. So cabanas and another pool section up top with hot tubs and all these fun water slides, blast cannons. Man, what an awesome place. Max and our journey, the kiddos, big, having a great time. All right, kiddos, let's go, Ace. Make our way to the back. We're headed on back to the big watchtower. They got the cabanas up here. As you can see, style. No wait, we can just go right up top. As you can see, plenty of places to sit. We just had a rainstorm come through. Audrey, let's head over here. All right, check it out. Blasting guns. Water park blasters. And nice seating right here. That's that food truck. As you can see, nice big water park. Oh, sorry about that. Audrey and Ace got the big geyser. Woo! Good job, buddy. Nobody's safe out here. I'm just waiting for that big water tower to show you guys all the stuff. I'm surprised it isn't packed right now. Look at that. Jellystone, PA. Gotta love that water park. Here's that second pool I was just telling you about. One of the hot tubs are closed. That's an adults only one. And then you have a family one down at the other side. So please check out this place if you get time. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps us out. You have cabins that are beautifully done. A lot of hills here too, people. If you bring your bikes, be ready to hit the brakes, man. Look at this hot tub. You can get hot tubs dropped off as an add-on up here at this site. I haven't seen another campground doing that. We haven't been to a whole lot, but I think that's pretty cool. All right, so coming up here on our right is our first ever site that we had, and it hooked us plenty of shade. It's right here. It's wide open still, but we could not book it because I'm sure somebody's coming in to get that spot. But that's it right there. And plenty of rows of campsites out here, all different setups, hilly ones, cabins. We'll just keep rolling straight and we'll show you more of them. Look, that cabin has a hot tub out front. You have some smaller cabins, some bigger ones over here. Again, man, this is Max Your Journey with the Jellystone review. Maxwell Tribe out here in Pennsylvania. Awesome place. They got deals all the time. That's why we're here right now. 4-night special. 20% off with the golf cart also. More cabins and rolling hills. Let's check out some of these down here. All right, so as we make our way to these luxurious cabins, you also have these beautiful bathhouses. They have multiple ones spread out, so you have plenty of places to get all cleaned up. But look at that, well done. And then it's right next to these gorgeous cabins. It looks like they added these wash stations right here. Me and Babe noticed that earlier, so that's pretty cool. But you also have these gorgeous big bath. I mean, these are tiny homes right here. Right here you got basically a tiny home. Look at that, 2-story, window upstairs, screened-in porch. If you got family members that don't have a camp or anything like that, it's still a great place to bring them. Everybody can hang out. These sites are literally on the side of the hill with a drop-off, as you can see. But plenty of room for big rigs, small rigs. We'll take you around to check out our site here in just a second. Look at these nice wooded sites out here, all the way in the very back of the park. Another hot tub, so a hot commodity out here. And then you have rooms for big rigs and little rigs out here. All right, if you have a real big rig and you want a very nice paved, clean site, because that's the way you camp, this whole section is dedicated to you. All concrete with nice, beautiful trees, paved sites, patios, grills already built in. Plenty. I'm gonna show you this empty one right here because I don't want to invade on nobody's space. But look, check this out right here. Paved, trees. And as you can see, you come with a fire pit, nicely done. And that's a nice setup right there. All right, we made our way to the playground. I got some clips thrown in here, but
There was a drawing contest.
they got them on the brochure. Check out this hill. You do not want your kids rolling down there if they do not know what they're doing. So you got a big playground, one playground, basketball courts, 2 jump pillows, 2 gaga ball setups. You have a volleyball net down at the end, big dog park in the very back. You have a fishing pond that's just for locals here. Only if you camp here, you got to catch and release. An escape room trailer over there. So I mean, they did a good job out here. I think next time we come, this is the site for us right here. Right across, let these wild ones run free at the jump pillows, and we can keep an eye on them. All right, as we keep it rolling, we're going to head down the path behind the playground, which is another rolling hill, as you saw in my clip. Hopefully I already threw a couple drone footages in here so you can see the actual layout of this place, but it's a beautiful big field. If you have a dog, you want to let them hang out and get some real, grass to walk on and stuff. So that's all uphill up there. We just rode on the other side. These are all tent sites. Nice location. I wish these were actually campsites, but they're nice tent sites to become. Even a little paved landing pad for you, so you don't actually got to be all in the dirt and the mud if it rains. It's just a nice change of landscape for us, being from Delaware, beach area, flat, sand, everybody loves that. Sometimes we like to mix it up and go where people that come to visit us come from. So Pennsylvania it is, about a 3-hour drive for us. And that right there, as you see that big thing, that's where they shoot movies at. Have a lot of gatherings there. Behind that building up there is the arcade. Ace wants to check that out again, so we're going to do that a little later on. There's game room. They even got this nice basketball court back here. Taking the Max tribe to the arcade. Show you guys this bad boy. Open it up, bud. What you gonna do? This is the arcade. It's hidden behind the big main bathhouse or check-in registration center, as you can see. So not bad. Little hidden something behind everything, and it's usually quiet back here. Got a couple dollars you want to waste because it's hard to win. Hey guys, you ready?
Yeah.
And they have all these little nice paths through the woods, so you can really escape. Nice tent sites again. Look at that. All right, so as you saw earlier, the mini golf, this is the back side of it, and the pool's up there on the hill. And we're just cruising around. That's the tower shooting out all the water. We will be up there later on. So we're gonna swing by the check-in center one more time so you can see that again. All right, we're making our way back to our site, right behind these cabins, the jump pillows, everything. Playground is on the other side. We have site 228. If you come out here, it's awesome. Nobody's in front of you, directly in front of you. You're right on the corner. It's a big site. As you saw, we have the Sunset Trail 289 QB. And this is our site right here on the end. If you didn't know, you can tell by that Max Your Journey sign right on the back. Have these nice fence that we hang all our clothes on. Nice patio, nice brick layout. So it's not bad. Oh, and there's my baby. Get all the towing done. My other baby does all the drive. Skirt. So there you go. We are back at our site 228. The kiddos. We might give you a little look from the air from our drone footage, as I said before. But check out our campsite. Boys are thirsty from riding around. And there's Mama. That wraps up our Yogi Bear review, insight, whatever. We love this place. I got my son Asher with me to wrap this video up. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you like my Maxwell tribe, hit that like button. If you haven't, hit that subscribe and like button, you know, at the same time if you can. But either way, we love this place, but it does have its cons. The dog park, ridiculous location. You won't probably ever use it. If you're bringing kids under 5, please make sure you got all the safety equipment. These hills around here are treacherous. Even walking, it's a workout around here. Everything is on a hill. So we always get the golf cart, which adds to your total. So that could be a con, you know. So overall, we love the campground. As you've seen, it's beautiful, it's great. Get out here to Yogi Bear, Jellystone, Quarryville, Pennsylvania. And thank you for maxing your journey with me and Asher and the Maxwell tribe.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time. Check out these videos and hit that button, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.